guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Eduventure SG. So today we are going to do a very interesting word problem on percentage. Let's read the question first. On an aeroplane, the number of boys was 3 by 4 of the number of girls. 50% of the passengers were adults. Find the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys to the number of adults. So what we have for this question is that on an aeroplane, right, there are three category of people, right? So there are boys and girls and the adults, right? So basically passengers are divided into three categories. One is girls, boys and adults, right? So I believe that adults includes both men and women, but here there are only three categories. Okay, girls, boys and adults. Now what else we have here is that the number of boys was 3 by 4 of the number of girls. That means boys are 3 by 4 of number of girls, right? So that means if the total number of girls is 4 unit, right, the boys are only 3 units, right? So girls, if the total number of girls is divided into 4 equal parts, then out of 4, right, 3 parts is equal to the number of boys, right? So from here we can write it as, okay, let's say the girls are, let's write it slightly smaller. If the girls are how many units? 4 units. Then the boys will be how many units? They will be 3 units. Now, how about the total number of boys and girls? Right? How about the total number of boys and girls? So boys and plus girls together will be how many? It will be 3 unit plus 4 unit will give us 7 units. That means in total there are 7 unit of boys and girls. What else do we have from the question? We also have that 50% of the passengers were adults. Okay, that means out of these three categories, right, the adults were 50%, right? So what do you think? What percentage of in total were there for boys and girls? What percentage of the total passengers were boys and girls? It's straight away, right? Since there are only three categories and out of that adults are 50%, that means the rest are boys and girls, right? So how do we calculate it? Okay, so from here we can say, just let's write it, okay, that the information first, that the adults are 50%, right? 50% of total passengers. So how about the boys plus the girls? In terms of percentage, what do you think? The total of, in terms of percentage, will be how much? It will be 100% minus 50%, right? And that will give us 50%. That means it's obvious, right? If the adults are 50%, then the rest, who are girls and boys, should be 50%, right? So that the total will become 100%, right? And we also know that the boys and girls together is how many units? They are 7 units, right? So since the boys and girls are 50%, which is same as the 50% of adults, and the number of units of boys and girls is 7 units, what can we infer from this? We infer from this that the number of units of adults should be how many units? It should be 7 units, right? Because the boys and girls are 50% and they are equal to 7 units, and the adults are also 50%, right? So that means the adults should be also 7 units, right? So hence, therefore, we can say that adults are also 7 units, right? Now in terms of unit, we know all the three categories, right? The girls are 4 unit, the boys are 3 unit, and the adults are 7 unit, right? And we don't have to find the numbers of any of them, because we just need to find the ratio of girls to boys to adults, right? So let's do that quickly. So we have to find the ratio of girls is to boys is to adults. See here, the order is very important, right? The order is very important. Okay, so here the girls are 4 unit, the boys are 3 unit, and the adults are 7 unit, right? So which we can obviously write as 4 is to 3 is to 7. Okay, so the ratio of number of girls to the boys to the adults is 4 is to 7 is 4 is to 3 is to 7. So let's write our answer quickly. So the ratio is 4 is to 3 is to 7. So that's the solution of this question. Hope you liked it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.